Good afternoon and welcome to Shooting a Shave. It's good to be here making another video. Let me show you today what I'm going to be using. The brush, the Yaqi Sagrata Familia 24mm tuxedo knot. Soap today I'm going to be using is Chiseled Face Cedar Spice. Razor I'm going to use today and for the rest of this month is my Parker 63C here. It's an open comb razor, so in honor of October, open comb razor October. And it's the only open comb razor I have, so I'm going to be trying out different blades in it. So I'm going to go with a Rapira blade for this week and see how this blade and this razor combination works out for me. So okay, let me wet the face and we'll get started. And I'm going to go ahead and load up the brush here. Started off with a little too wet of a brush, getting a lot of that foamy, frothy crap instead of the nice dense suds right now. So a little too wet of a brush. And you can see it's starting to cake on there nice now. So the scent strength on this is actually pretty high when you lather it up. It's I'd say about a 7.5, almost an 8 from a 1 to 10 scale. And scent notes in it are on the cap here. It's cedar, oil of guaiac, vetiver, and spices. And I'm not sure how you pronounce that word. It looks like guaiac, but I'm not sure how you pronounce it. But that's what's in it. Let me see if you can see that. You can pause it there if you would like. But those are the scents and scent notes in it. And to my nose, what do I smell the most? I smell the cedar and the spices kind of out, kind of in there. It doesn't smell like real spicy. It smells more woodsy to me, to my nose. It's very, very strong in the cedar smell. Yeah. So I'm locked and loaded. I'm gonna go ahead and get this excess cream on my face. You know the drill. Those of you who've been watching me for a little while. Got a couple days growth on my face. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 2-3 days. And I think I've been growing the mustache now for about, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks now. All right, just dip the tips of the brush in here. I'll go ahead and go right into the face lather. So I hope you are all having a nice week, that everyone is healthy, having good shaves, and no doubt using a lot of nice new products. I'm currently waiting on some products to come into the mail, or come in the mail. I just did an order from Wild West Shaving and got 3 different soaps, and I'm really looking forward to trying them. All right. Almost looks like this lather needs a little more water. Thought I started off with too wet of a brush, and now it looks like I need to add some more water to this. Little more water. Yeah, that's good. You can call that a day. And that'll do. All right, yeah, so the scent is very, very, very nice on this soap. I like the woodsy type scents. Very nice fallsy scent. I'm gonna go with the first pass here. For an open comb razor, it's a pretty mild razor. All right, first pass is done. I'll rub some of this soap into the face here. Very nice residual slickness, as with all Chiseled Face products. And if you guys like woodsy scents, this is a great woodsy scent. Nice for the fall. And there's plenty of lather in that brush. This is probably one of my favorite synthetic brushes to use. My most favorite synthetic brush to use is this big boy right here. This is the Yaqi barber pole. Nice tuxedo knot in there, and it's a 30mm knot. Huge brush, absolutely massive. And that's probably my favorite synthetic brush to use. It is my favorite synthetic brush to use, and this one's second. And they're not too expensive. These brushes are very moderately priced. I think I got this for like $11 off of West Coast Shaving. They also have, I believe they have a store on store on Etsy. I'm not sure. I'll leave a link in the description below for these brushes, but they got a great selection of brushes. Very moderately priced. I'm a big fan of Yaqi. That's good. We're gonna go second pass across the grain here. Yaqi also has safety razors too. They have a couple of ones that I'd like to pick up. Again, they're like very moderately priced razors. All right, that'll do it. Rinse up here. Lather up here for the third final pass. I got myself here a little bit. Didn't even feel that. Just a little bit of water in this, not a whole lot. That'll be good. Third and final pass. I like to wet my fingertips here and then just rub it on the face here. And you should have plenty residual slickness to do any pickups. So far it's been working for pretty much any soap I use. There's always just enough to just hit those areas that are slightly uneven. I don't chase BBS, I just chase smooth and comfortable. I used to chase BBS, and I used to get a lot of irritation. Now I just go for damn fine. And that's good, I'm happy with that. Damn fine. I'm gonna head and rinse up real quick. And do a real quick feel out. Excellent shave. Excellent shave. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the sink and my gear. See you guys for post shave. So for post shave tonight, I'm gonna use the matching aftershave splash, the Chiseled Face Cedar and Spice. I'm gonna put a nice healthy dose onto my hands. And that smells lovely. It is slightly mentholated, so it has that nice cooling effect, but that nice spicy scent that we all love in the fall, or at least some of us. I myself like the heavier scents, like for winter and fall. The heavier and darker, more woodsy scents are my favorite. And post-shave balm tonight, I didn't pick one out. So I'm just gonna go with the Cella. And put just a very tiny bit, about that much. And just a little more on my neck here. I did get myself a little bit tonight. I got myself right there. Not a real big cut. I used the Alum while I was cleaning up just to stop the bleeding there. Wasn't a real bad cut, just a little minor nick. Got a little too careless on that second pass there when I was going across the grain. Alright, so recap. Went with Chiseled Face Cedar and Spice. razor tonight was the Parker 63C, and I had a new Rapira blade in there on its first use. And since I'm doing open comb razor October, the review of this blade, it wasn't a bad shave. It gave me a very nice shave. Did have the cut, but that's my fault. Just poor technique. So blade combo and razor felt pretty good. It felt very nice. Not a rough shave, pretty smooth first shave. Some people say that on your second shave it's sometimes smoother. I don't know if that's true. Every shave to me, I've never really felt a difference in each blade. I've only felt the difference after I've used it too many times and it starts tugging. So, yep, soap and razor, and brush was the Yaqi Sagrata Familia. Excellent brush. Aftershave splash here was the Cedar and Spice. Oh, and post-shave balm was the Cella. And that is going to do it for this shave. You guys all have a great week and a great weekend. See you again soon for another shave video. Take care.